Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to write better marketing copy and content with Anthropic Claude. So as we know that artificial intelligence is at its boom, and over here it's the perfect opportunity to talk about the popular application that is Anthropic. So Anthropic is an AI safety and research company that builds reliable artificial intelligence system. So here I will tell you with examples that how you can create better marketing copies. So let's go to our first example. So our first example will be how to automatically generate text with Anthropic Claude. So here let's say that you have created a Google Sheets where you have added the title for your articles. So now you want to generate the articles automatically. So here by using Anthropic you can do the same. So here whenever you will add a new title for the article in your Google Sheets, then by using Anthropic you can generate an automated unique article for the same. And further you can add that article in your Google Sheet as well. So now let us go to our second example. So here in this example, I'm going to tell you that how you can create social media posts using Anthropic Claude. So here let's assume that you are a social media influencer and you have added some titles in your Google Sheets, and it's a very hectic task to think about the post content every day. So here you can automate this process where you will be using Anthropic to generate the post content. Once the post content is generated, then you can share it across your different social media handles. So in this case, I'm using Facebook. You can use any other social media handle as well. So now let's move to a third example. So here in this example, I will tell you how you can auto-generate articles using Anthropic Claude's AI. So here, as I've already discussed this before as well, that by using Anthropic you can generate unique automated articles. So here again in this example, let's suppose that you have added some titles in your Google Sheets and then you want to create the article for the same title, and this can be done by using Anthropic. So moving to our fourth and final example. So in this example, I'm going to tell you how to generate 100% unique articles using Anthropic Claude. So here by using Anthropic Claude, you can generate 100% unique articles just in seconds, and then you can create it as a post for your WordPress account as well. So I hope this video was helpful for you. You can find the description for these workflows in the description box.